I'm going yard today, dude. I'm going yard. On this pitch right here. My favorite rapper? Ooh, that's some hard questions. It's not a hard question.
I'll probably just go with Drake right now.
How'd your glove go way over there?
My favorite rapper? Gotta be J. Cole, you know?
You have 3 items that you can bring.
Okay.
That's it. I'm bringing a flashlight because I'm scared of the dark.
I respect that one. I am that dude. What?
Say,
Sometime today, bro.
I'll say DJ Khaled.
Huh? I'm it! Oh my goodness. You sitting down? What are you doing? Stretching, bro? I'm stretching my legs.
Oh, you got a jersey on?
Hey,
635. Dude, I was playing Frank yesterday. Frank and Aiden. Dude, this was the strike zone, right? Yeah. I'll throw like a cutter up in here. Frankie backside bomb. Aiden would just hit like a basic up the middle. I was look at him, bro. Who wears a pink headband? See where I go? I just get bullied on this team. I just get bullied. What's the difference between a head coach and assistant coach and associate coach? What did that one miss? Somebody's extra. I still can't believe Zally said his favorite rapper is DJ Khaled. His favorite rapper is DJ Khaled.
And Lil Wayne, old Lil Wayne.